Good morning, this is your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Seeing a sunny and cold start to the day today, as we'll have a fairly quiet and seasonable day with sunny skies. As we go through our Tuesday, we'll see high pressure continue to be in control over the region, and we'll see that continue as we go through the remainder of the week. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we have this area of high pressure, as mentioned, dominating the eastern part of the country. We have this cold front off to the west-northwest that's going to be moving through the area as we go into the day tomorrow. It's going to pass through the area as a dry front and just bring some reinforcing cooler air and high pressure into the area. So still going to stay quiet and dry, but just cooler temperatures and continued quiet weather. Looking at the current conditions as of 8 a.m. this morning, we have those clear skies out there, light northwest wind at 3 knots, temperature at 32 degrees, and relative humidity is at 78%. If we look at the current visible satellite, we can see those clear skies across the region this morning. Just some low clouds well off the coast, but overall clear skies, fairly calm to light winds over the region as well. Looking at the short-term high-resolution model here, we'll see as we go through the day, again, expecting high pressure to stay in control, dry conditions, seasonable temperatures as we go through the day. With those clear skies going through the overnight, we'll see a few high clouds start to move into the area as we get into the morning hours on Wednesday. And we could see those high clouds fill in quite a bit as we start the day on Wednesday, so we'll see mainly just high clouds as we go through the day on Wednesday as that boundary starts to approach, and then a few mid clouds will filter into the area, so mainly just partly cloudy to mostly cloudy at times with some filtered sunshine, but we'll see that boundary push through, and that will allow for a slight breeze to get going during the day tomorrow, but not expecting a wind advisory at this time. And then again going into Wednesday evening and into Thursday, that brings in a little bit cooler air, so a cold night Wednesday night, and then a chilly day with below average temperatures as we go into the day on Thursday, but high pressure again remaining in control and keeping things nice and dry. So if we look at the 24-hour weather risk chart for today, we have green conditions expected over the next 24 hours. We'll see temperature up to around 48 degrees. This afternoon, we'll see those winds shifting out of the southwest, but staying fairly light at 5 to 10 knots for the later part of the afternoon. As we go through the overnight hours, we'll see those winds slowly shift more west-southwest to westerly through the overnight, and seeing those temperatures fall down to around 34 degrees. So that's right on par with average for this time of year. And then to start the day on Wednesday, we'll see the more northwesterly component to the winds as we begin the workday on Wednesday. And again, clear skies expected through the day today and into the evening time frame. And as we get into the day on Wednesday, we'll see those high clouds start to come into the picture to start the day on Wednesday. Right now, tides are running normal, and the next couple of days, partly to mostly cloudy with that filtered sunshine for Wednesday. Again, mainly high clouds and a few mid-level clouds briefly through the day, but we'll see a slight breeze as well, but not expecting a wind advisory as you see green conditions expected for our weather risk, and we'll see a seasonable temperature with a high around 50 degrees. Wednesday evening, we'll see a cold evening with skies clearing, a low around 28 degrees, but continued green conditions for our weather risk. And as we go into Thursday, we'll see a mostly sunny and chilly day with a slight breeze to start the day, but that should relax as we go through the day with a high just around 44 degrees, so below average for this time of year. That wraps up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.